Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I can't find my mic. I'm just speaking to myself, guys. I have this microphone that I normally clip to my clothing so that you can hear my voice more clearly, but I don't know where I put my microphone. Let me shift the camera a little bit. So guys, I was on the Observer. Was it Jamaica Observer? Yes, I think it's a Jamaica Observer, where I came across this article where a mother, what did it say? A mother has been charged after her 13-year-old girl allowed to spend 3 days with a man. A mother was charged because she sent her 13-year-old daughter to spend a few days with a man. Let me see if I'm 13 for true. Yeah, 13 years old. Like, I don't understand. It's like the more you feel as if things are changing, it's the more that they remain the same. Because in Jamaica, and with the internet and with people talking about especially this topic, where you have mothers pimp out them daughters, because basically that's what it is. How can you have a daughter who's 14? My God, my daughter, I not even want to hear about my daughter with no man. And my daughter is 27. She can do whatever the hell she wants to do, and I'll be quite happy if she found a nice loving partner. But at 13, like, how can you be okay? But to be honest, a lot of mothers put up with their slackness, yeah, because they have kids that they cannot take care of. Them have kids, and some of them lazy and don't go and do what they need to do in order to take care of their kids. No, at one point in my life, a certain point in my life, I was a single mom. I was a single mom, and may I tell you, sometimes things tough because you have days where I run out of money and the baby father spite me, and not even food I could find to eat during that period. But guess what? I persevere and I do what I had to do. I make certain decisions that I think was beneficial for my little unit. But to send them to make a next man have them way with them, that could never ever happen under my. Those things are just, I don't know why some people, why the mentality, where do they get that mentality from? Is it because they weren't grown up in any love, they weren't shown any love when they're growing up? But even we can't keep using those things as excuses, because even if you're in a situation where, let's say, you grew up in a horrible family settings and blah 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 blah, after a while, when you realize, when you come to the conclusion that you know that it's my childhood upbringing why I behave in a certain kind of way, the moment you realize that, why can't you go and seek help? Why can't you go and seek help so that you can rectify the situation, so you don't have to pass on certain things to the next generation? But no, go on and have these kids that you cannot take care of, and everybody are dead for hunger and breed for some of them workless, careless, dirty men. Yeah? No, men don't come for me. I'm just talking about the one that hides away from their responsibility. You know, whether or not, especially Jamaican people don't dash it, no, like dash your belly. Well, let me take back that talk there. I can't judge everybody after me. But for me, whenever time I got pregnant, when I was younger, dash your belly just never come in on my thought. Like me never think me have to figure it out. Hey guys, look at my earring. Oh, I bought them from Timu. Oh, how is it pronounced? Timu? T is T-I. But T-E is te. Temu. Maybe it's Temu. I don't know. My accent, it doesn't mean it don't mean I'm ignorant. It just means that I speak different. Anyway, back to this baby mother and children. the mother them who pimp out them kids. In this 21st century, we're in 2024, and you actually have people that are really doing this to their kids, a 13-year-old child. Now I'm gonna read I'm gonna read the clippings from the Jamaica Observer and tell you what they're saying. But I have to switch glasses, my love, because I don't know if I can do it like, oh, I can wear it like that. So here we go. A mother was charged after her 13-year-old girl was allowed to spend 3 days with a man. That is from the Observer. With a man. Montego Bay, St. James, a woman whose 13-year-old daughter spent 3 days with a man in another parish before the police intervened during a traffic stop has been charged with cruelty to a child. But of course that's what should happen. But based on the court system, we'll see what's going on. Let me finish reading what they're saying. The woman's name is being withheld to protect the identity of her child, who is a minor. I'm gonna take off this and wear my glasses properly. Yeah, that's it. Who is a minor. The woman is now out on bail and her trial is expected to begin on May the 20th. She has been charged with cruelty to a child as the court believes. Let me get to the next one. As the court believed. She has been charged with cruelty to a child as the court believes it is the most appropriate under the circumstances. Okay, so it look like based on what's surrounding her as a mother and a child, there is no specific thing in the law that states exactly what she should be charged with. So the judge them come up with that thing. The court has come up with it to say the court believes it is the most appropriate under the circumstances. So she has been charged with child cruelty as they think that is the most appropriate based on the crime, right? The woman appeared in the St. James Parish Court on Thursday before presiding Judge Natisha Fairlow Hilton. She's been represented by Attorney at Law Jermaine Campbell. According to court record on Saturday, December the 23rd, 2023, the 13-year-old complainant made arrangement with a 19-year-old male to go to his house in Westmoreland. 13 years old. She have enough sense, because when I was 13, with the sense of a bad. God, with a 13-year-old male to go to his home in Westmoreland. The plan was for her to attend Grand Market, for which her mother allegedly gave permission. She a 13-year-old, you know? The woman allegedly left $3,000 on her dresser to help cover her daughter's transportation fees. The young girl then packed a bag and went to her mother's workplace to wait for the 19-year-old male, whom she allegedly met on social media. Boy, may I tell you, this is so bad. You know, I just wish I could lock up the mother and throw the key, but we have to follow the law, I guess. The 19-year-old subsequently arrived at the mother's workplace in St. James to pick up the minor. So the mother knows that she'd go with a 19-year-old there, where the accused woman warned her daughter to return home on Monday, December the 23rd. December the 25th, sorry, that's on Christmas Day. Make sure you come home Monday, the woman is alleged to say to her daughter. The court was told that the mother met the 19-year-old for the first time when he came to her workplace to pick up her daughter. God. The court was told that okay, we read that part before when he came to pick up her daughter. The 19-year-old and the girl then left the location and went to the bus park in Montego Bay. You know that bus park there now? They then boarded a bus heading to Westmoreland. According to court records, the minor spent Saturday at the 19-year-old's house before meeting a man in Westmoreland and Sunday. So wait there now. So she left to go with the 19-year-old where her mother meet. All of this just so confusing. Anyway, let me just continue reading, yeah. According to court records, the minor spent Saturday at the 19-year-old's house before meeting a man in Westmoreland on Sunday. She went to his house where they had where them have S relationship. Them have X, and she remained there until Tuesday. Let me pause this to let me pause. Okay, I'm back. Some school kids were there. You know how school kids are. So let's continue with what the observer was saying. Okay, so after she got meet up the man, what was the last thing you read? Let me see where I'm coming from. Where was the last thing that I read? I'm getting a bit confused now. Workplace. All right. I think I'm on the right. Okay. So it says, so according to the court record, the minor spent the Saturday. Did you read that? The minor spent the Saturday at the 19-year-old's house before meeting a man in Westmoreland on Sunday. She went to his house where they have sexual relation, and she remained there until Tuesday. Her mother told her to come back Monday now, the 25th. Little girl, a bad girl. But her mother worse. So she leave one man and gone to the other man. They had relationship. She remained until Tuesday the 26th. You know, having intercourse with a minor is illegal. Yeah. Having intercourse with a minor, it is illegal. So they say on the same day, that's the 26th, around 11 a.m., the police stopped to intercept the vehicle and take them into custody. Oh, so maybe the mother report it. So how then just stop and take them, so. Alright. During these arguments, defense attorney Campbell stated that the minor was supposed to return home on Monday, but all is a liar to him. And that the mother had been calling her phone, which had gone dead. Based on the Crown's file, it is not the 19-year-old who the child is alleged to have had intercourse with. He, meaning the 19-year-old, he sent back the child and the child left, said Campbell. Okay, so the 19-year-old, okay, I don't even know what to make of that. And Campbell then read a section of the statement in which the complainant stated, my mother called and asked me what time I was coming home, and I tell her, say, in the evening. She tell me, say, she go in the mobile town to wait for me. Me never answer when my mother call me because me never have no money to go back down. The clerk of court then emphasized her point about willful negligence, noting that after a certain number of days the mother failed to contact the necessary authorities, child protection or police or whatever. However, in response, the judge stated that there was no other section. Okay, so this is what I was speaking about before, when the judge says, based on the crime that the mother has committed, there is nothing specific in the law that states the type of punishment that should be handed down. So that is why she's just been charged with child cruelty. So let's start again. Sorry. However, in response, the judge stated that there was no other section of the Child Care Protection Act that addresses the mother's action other than cruelty to a child. The case was subsequently set for trial and the mother's bail has been extended. Now guys, I'm gonna insert what I've just read. I'm gonna insert it in the video clip where you can just pause the video and read it for yourself, or you can skip over the video and go and see what some of the comments are saying. But guys, when I saw this story, I had to come and say something, give my little 2 pence, because as a mother of 4 kids, I don't understand, especially my kids are grown now, so they're on their own, they're responsible for their own self. There's no reason for me to intervene in anybody's situation. You know, there's no reason for me to be in anybody's situation. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm just dropping into other people's issues, but yeah, remember to like, share and subscribe for more of these videos. But I just couldn't pass this one without giving my 2 cents. What may I tell you, mankind wicked, you know, because how can you have your own daughter being so young? You know the thing, when my kids were younger, even though we were in different countries, it was like the ache that I have to make sure that everything is perfect. You understand me? I know that nothing is perfect, but I was trying to aim for perfection, which I know said there's no such thing as perfection, but I wanted the best for my kids, you know. And I remember once, I think I had a friend once that told me that her daughter was 16 and she was seeing an older man who is helping her out. But you know what, let me not go into that because she didn't give me permission to speak on that. So let's sleep in dog life. But me know what me would handle. Certain things I'm gonna do, certain things I'm not gonna do. Now my kids are grown kids. I'm free like a bird in the tree. I can do anything now. I don't even have to speak to my kids every day. They don't even have to call me. Even months can pass and them not call me. As long as I know that they're okay, I'm fine. But no man, that mother are wicked though. No, my love. Anyway guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Make me go put on my darkers. And I'm out. Guys, it's me again. I've just seen a clip. Something lighter. Let's go on to something lighter, if only I'm able to see what I've written. I'm not sure if I can see it. Okay, let me go ahead and read you some of what is being said. So there's a popular page on Instagram where people normally write up with their problems, and then the commenters, they can give them ways in which they are able to solve. Let me show what them come up with. So here's this one. Here is this one. My 2 sons are not for me, but my daughter is mine. Alright, this sounds interesting. So it says, hello bro Joro. I wouldn't wish how I'm feeling on anyone. I have mixed feelings. I have been married for 9 years. I did DNA some months ago and I found out that my sons are not for me. I cried like a baby. I went to my pastor straight because if I saw my wife, it wouldn't be good that very day. Later, I told her. She told me I was cheating on her with my own ex then, and she wanted to cheat. She wanted to cheat basically she had cheat back on him because he has been doing it to her, so she do it back to him. I wanted to slap her immediately, so because if she wants to retaliate to me, that's what caused this. I feel like I don't have any children. My daughter doesn't count in my tribe. My daughter is for her husband. She will change her name in the future. I love my sons, but I don't love them anymore. I sent them away to my wife's family house. Sometimes I miss them. My father said if I raise another man's child, I'm a bastard. My wife said I should decide what I want to do. She is blocking me again. She said if he tells the father of the boys, if she tells the father of the boys, he will want them because he doesn't have any boys of his own. Please, what do I do? Should I tell her not to tell him, or should I tell her not to tell him? I'll live them today and have them tomorrow. I don't get that last part because they scribble out some of it. So basically this man wants to know what to do. What you guys think? Let's hear some of your comments, because he was cheating on the lady for years and years and years. You know how a lot of those people do. They feel that it's their right to have extra matrimonial affairs. So the man was cheating on the woman all along, and she decided she's gonna cheat back. When she cheat back, she carried 2 lovely boys for him because he couldn't have no boys. So him in a dilemma now as to whether or not. But let me hear what you guys have to say about this. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna include some comments from what folks on the street are saying. So guys, thanks for watching my videos. Always remember to like, share and subscribe, and come back for more wonderful videos. It doesn't cost to subscribe. It doesn't eat into your data. You don't pay nothing extra for press the subscribe. Just subscribe down below, press the like button, give a girl a thumbs up, and let's grow this channel together. I say, yo, I love me airing them. Anyway guys, peace out, and I shall see you soon. Bye.